Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Does anybody remember that movie by the name of, whoa, that was close up. I wasn't even paying attention how close that was. Does anybody remember the movie La La Land? So right now, I am at the, I don't remember it either. Actually, truthfully, I've never seen the movie, but I know this is a filming location. And this was where Emma Stone's character lived with her roommates. I don't even know what Emma Stone's character's name was. If you do, you can leave it down below. But this is a filming location of La La Land. And I believe her apartment was up here, somewhere back here or something like that. I don't know. I've only seen bits and pieces of the movie. You guys all remember it? You guys remember that movie, La La Land? Because I can't say that I've ever seen it, but I have seen pieces of it. And this is the apartment in La La Land. And before I turn it back around, I did see parts where Emma Stone's character and all her roommates were going out, getting ready to go out on the town or whatnot. And this, excuse my hand, this shrubbery, all this area, let me turn around and you'll probably recognize it if you've seen the movie, is where Emma Stone comes out and meets her friends. And then they come out here and then they do a little dance thing, which we'll check out in a minute, but just thought it was kind of interesting, kind of leisurely walking by this, and figured I'd come in here and just kind of document the filming location. So yeah, she comes over here, she comes out here, and she meets up with her friends right here. Kind of see it behind me. And then they come out here and they do a little dance on the street here. And I think they're dancing like right down this road right here. Let me cross real quick. Let me cross quickly. And then if you come across here, you probably will definitely remember these palm trees. Oh, that's why it was so close to my face. It was doing a close-up. All right, anyway. So, yep, that's the outside right there of the filming location of La La Land. Figured, I'm walking by it. Let me just do a quick little video of it. And probably, maybe, definitely some people remember that movie. Probably, definitely, maybe you remember that movie. And this place is, jeez, I almost can't even see it. Oh, there it is. I don't think that sign was there when they did the filming of this. I don't know. I could be wrong. But anyway, that is the filming location. This is Long Beach, by the way. Long Beach, California. Now, there are a couple other filming locations here. I don't want to bother people, but there are definitely a couple more filming locations in Long Beach where they filmed other parts of this movie. Now, there is another filming location. I don't think I'm going to go to it. I don't really want to do an edited vlog. I just wanted to do a quick little onesie. Now, I did do a filming location of that in the past, but because of the camera I was using, just kind of wanted to go by. I got rid of that. And what I'm trying to say is I got rid of the other little filming location that I did of that place because I just felt like my other camera just did not do it any justice. And anyway, that's just a real quick one. I'm going to end it right there. Just thought it was very interesting that, you know, I oftentimes walk by that place and it's a filming location. So I thought I would just swing on in and check it out. Well, I think that's going to do it. I was going to say, though, that Ryan Gosling's character picks up Emma Stone's character. Back here, there is a scene. Oh gosh, this is getting a little longer than I wanted it to, but there is a slight quick filming location on the back of this. There's also a bar that was used here in Long Beach as part of the filming location. And like I said, that apartment right there is a filming location of the movie. So this is the alley that Ryan Gosling picks up Emma Stone's character. Down there is a gate from which she comes from. I'm not going to walk all the way down there. This is just a quick little fire truck. I hope Emma and the girls are okay. Anyway, yeah, so quick little filming location of La La Land. So anyway, nothing super fabulous, but I think it's pretty interesting. I don't know. Anyway, guys, this is going to be a short, non-edited little vlog of filming location. So please, if you like this kind of content, I do a lot of traveling content mainly, but I guess I'll do filming locations once in a while if I so happen to walk by one. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and do all the YouTube stuff that people do, all the pressing of the buttons and whatnot. You could press the down vote button if you want, but that would really hurt my feelings. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.